Welcome to Cadence Design Systems Fidelity Tutorial Tuesday, where we show you how to use a feature or demonstrate a technique in just a few minutes. In this video, we're going to show you how to disassemble database quilts in Fidelity Pointwise. Have in front of you a simple geometry of a glider, and we are going to disassemble the big quilt that you see on the upper surface of the wing into its original quilt. There are two ways to actually do this. One is you select the quilt and you can go to Edit, Split. You can see right here the different quilts that compose this larger quilt on the wing. And one way to disassemble everything is to select all the quilts of interest, make sure that the reassemble into quilts option is unchecked, and simply click the split button and OK. Let it work, and you can see now that the big quilt has been disassembled into the original parts. Now, there's another way to do the same thing. I'm going to undo a couple of times to go back to the initial point. The option that I'm going to show you one is going to be a little bit quicker. It's simply one click away, but it's an option that is available only through the Edit toolbar. So first off, we're going to go to View, Toolbars, Customize. We're going to make sure that that particular option is actually in your toolbar. So if you expand the Edit toolbar right here, you can see there is one option that is Disassemble Quilts. Make sure that is checked on and simply click OK. Alrighty, let's go ahead. That's the option right here. And I'm going to do the same procedure. I'm going to select the larger quilt that I have on the surface of the wing and simply click that button right there. Let it work, and you can see that now you have all the original quilts are going to appear. So the big quilt has been disassembled. If you like this video, be sure to click the thumbs up button. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, drop us a line down below or connect with us on LinkedIn, which is linked in the description. Thank you all and have a pleasant Tuesday.